Shifting focus now to the national capital and in their firecracker ban in the Delhi NCR, there were pleas against it, which the Supreme Court has rejected today, saying that the right to live in clean environment is an essential part of fundamental rights, adding that there's nothing green about green firecrackers. Let me go across to my colleague Nupur for more on this. Nupur, so very strong words being used by the Supreme Court to reaffirm once again that the ban on firecrackers in Delhi stays.
Well, yes, today, in fact, while rejecting the petitions that were moved by manufacturers and traders of firecrackers from across Delhi NCR, the Supreme Court in very strong words said that they will not allow firecrackers in Delhi NCR in any time of the year, be it Diwali or be it any time of the Supreme Court remained firm that they will not allow firecrackers. They in fact said that it is the duty of these traders and manufacturers as the citizens of the country that they should also abide by the firecracker ban. The Supreme Court also came down heavily on the lawyers who submitted that firecracker ban is not being implemented as directed by the Supreme Court, and the firecrackers are still being sold. So the Supreme Court came down heavily on the lawyers and said that this is an unacceptable submission from anyone, and the Supreme Court said that it is in fact the poor who are suffering from the pollution in Delhi, as it in fact noted while dictating order that elites and elites from the Delhi NCR area often go on vacations during the peak polluted time in the city, and they have air purifiers in the home. But what about the citizens who are living on the road, poor, who don't have access to such facilities? Keeping that in mind, the Supreme Court said that it will not allow firecrackers, and it in fact said that there is nothing green about green firecrackers, and asked the firecracker companies to do better research, come up with better solution, and not mislead people that green crackers are environment friendly.
Right, Nupur Dogra there reporting from the Supreme Court. Thank you so much for getting us this very important update.